Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design. A modern home office design is a dynamic and functional space that adapts to the needs of remote work and creative productivity. With the rise of remote work and the importance of having a dedicated workspace at home, modern home office designs emphasize efficiency, comfort, and aesthetics to create an inspiring and productive environment. One of the key elements of modern home office design is the incorporation of ergonomic furniture. Comfortable and supportive chairs, height-adjustable desks, and proper lighting are essential for maintaining good posture and reducing strain during long work hours. The focus on ergonomics ensures that the home office promotes well-being and productivity. To create a clutter-free and organized workspace, modern home offices often feature smart storage solutions. Built-in shelves, cabinets, and desk organizers help keep supplies, documents, and equipment neatly stored and easily accessible. The use of hidden storage and cable management systems keeps the visual aspect of the office clean and uncluttered. Technology integration is a crucial aspect of modern home office design. With the reliance on digital devices and virtual communication, a well-designed home office should accommodate the necessary technology seamlessly. Incorporating charging stations, cable management, and adequate power outlets ensures a seamless and efficient workflow. Lighting plays a significant role in modern home office design. Maximizing natural light is key to creating a bright and energizing workspace. Large windows or strategically placed skylights bring in ample natural light, reducing eye strain and enhancing the overall ambience. Task lighting, such as adjustable desk lamps or pendant lights, supplements the natural light and helps create a well-lit and focused workspace. Aesthetics are essential in modern home office design to foster creativity and motivation. Neutral color palettes with pops of vibrant hues or soothing pastels create a serene and inviting atmosphere. Personal touches like artwork, plants, or decorative accents add personality and make the home office a space that reflects the individual's taste and style. Incorporating natural elements is a growing trend in modern home office design. Biophilic elements, such as indoor plants or nature-inspired decor, connect the office space to the outdoors, promoting a sense of calm and well-being. These elements can also enhance creativity and productivity by reducing stress and increasing focus. To maintain a sense of balance between work and relaxation, modern home offices often include cozy seating areas or reading nooks. These spaces provide a break from the desk and allow for relaxation and contemplation, encouraging a healthy work-life balance. Lastly, versatility is a crucial aspect of modern home office design. A well-designed home office should accommodate various work activities, whether it's focused work, virtual meetings, brainstorming sessions, or creative PR. In conclusion, interior design is an exciting field where creativity flourishes and spaces come alive. We hope this video has inspired you to recognize the transformative power of interior design and start your own creative endeavors. Whether you are an experienced designer or just starting to explore this fascinating world, there is always something new to learn and discover. If you liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing even more exciting design ideas with you in the future. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and remember that through imagination and creativity, you have the ability to turn any space into a reflection of your unique style and personality. Happy design!